All right, a quick update on ACH here. So down almost 6% on the week here. It's sitting right on the macro 236 at 165 here. So we'll see if this thing holds up. You can see this weekly candle here stuck right between that and the 786 here at 17. So if we can get the price back over 17 off of this market structure here, then it would have a shot at making a move to the 618 here on the smaller fib at 21, and you would need to move up about 26% to have any kind of momentum held on ACH here, or to come in, that is. Now that market structure, of course, I'm talking about here on the smaller time frames, the 3 day, the daily, even though it did end up breaking from the previous market structure overall off of this wick, now this low, we're still holding on to that 236. So as long as we hold the 236 here and hold on to this trend here, as you can see, we may hold and start going back up. But as of right now, there's no momentum. It's not really doing anything. Going back out to the weekly chart here. So as long as you're below the 786, 16.5 must hold. If we take out 16.5, then the price is going to end up coming back down to this previous low where that fib started at 1.2, and you're going to have this thing drop about 25%. And then, of course, there's a good chance if it falls below that 236, we're going to head toward our green support line here, and the price could drop 35%. That is the ultimate low to the high 786 final support level here. And we've seen a lot of things after they broke that larger uptrend back test, just as ACH did here, and it's still making the lower highs, and it's still in this downtrend here. So as long as you're in this market structure this way, then it could in fact lead the price all the way down to that level. So just keep that in mind until we get back over some levels here and break this downtrend, which you can see clearly. Let me go ahead and draw here before this one gets too long. But if we draw a fib from the high here to that wick low, we can see and have a price here. You can see 1.9 here. So if we can get over 1.9, we're going to break the trend line here, and then we'll get up to that 618. So 1.9 is a big price to watch, and 16.5 is a big price to hold here. So just keep all that in mind. And with that being said, how high is ACH going to go? Even if it comes down to these lower levels here, at some point it is going to go back up. And I think this thing's going to be a good return on investment this cycle. So if this thing only does on the macro 786 up to 11 pennies, excuse my voice, that would be a good spot to take some profit. You can see that's about a 6.5, almost a 7x on your investment here. And then we have our target here. I think the 60 cent range, you can see 62 to the 1272, a $4.8 billion market cap on ACH. I think this is the target it wants to hit this cycle, and you're going to get about a 37x from today, which that will change if we go lower, of course. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.